Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL TAB 10 Max to an Android device. First of all, just open Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on an Android. When you're ready, just send on TCL and receive on Android smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots on TCL device and choose send. This way you will select all of them and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with one photo, choose send and tap on got it. Now just no thanks and close this window on an Android, and as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then tap on receive button, but we can also scan this QR code. If you wish to do that, tap on this scanning icon on your Android, select while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!